In this video, we will learn how to angle park step by step. Angle parking is very important when you learning to drive. So without wasting time, let's start. The first step is to turn on your right signal and find the parking space. Step 2 is straighten the wheel and drive slowly forward until your side mirror line up with the closest line to the spot. Step 3 is to steer sharply towards the parking space. Step 4. Straighten the wheels and drive forward until your car has completely entered the parking space. And the last step is to put your car in park. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes few tries to get it right. With time and experience, you will become more confident in your angle parking. If you find this video helpful, be sure you give it thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more driving tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching us today and happy parking. Stay safe on the road and we will see you in the next video. Until then, drive responsibly and take care.